Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Have you ever wanted to jump on as an adult and have some fun along with your kids? Well, the new Mercedes G63 6x6 35-watt motor now makes your wish come true. This brand new and exclusive electric ride-on car includes a box, which when turned allows for anyone to jump on and join your kids on the ride of their lives. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. The suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Padded leather style seats, 6-wheel drive. The working bonnet makes for quick and easy storage. Boot storage to keep their books and toys safely stored and out of the way. Removable storage compartment, adult seat, adult foot pedal and switch. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Astonishing lights that dazzle in the dark. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.